if everything you've called a breakdown was actually a breakthrough in disguise? What if you're not falling apart, but falling into place? Most people run from pain, but pain is often the birthplace of purpose. He felt like his life was shattering, one piece at a time. A failed relationship, a lost job, and a crushing silence in the place where dreams once lived. Every day was a battle with self-worth. He tried to mask the pain with distractions, but nothing filled the void. He wasn't just lost. He was convinced he was broken. One day, standing in front of a cracked mirror, he noticed something different. Not in the reflection, but in the eyes staring back. They weren't weak. They were waking up. That night, he stopped asking, "Why me?" and started asking, "What now?" That was the beginning, not of healing, but of becoming. He started small, reading, walking, reflecting, journaling. He didn't climb out of the pit overnight, but each day became a brick in his rebuild. He turned pain into fuel, setbacks into strength. Over time, he didn't just get back to who he was. He evolved into someone stronger, wiser, and more intentional. He didn't fix himself. He found himself. You are not broken. You are becoming. Every scar is not a sign of weakness, but a sign that you survived what was meant to destroy you. This isn't the end of your story. It's the chapter where you rise,